Stop wasting cash on pointless gadgets. These ones actually deliver. From clever upgrades to straight up, why didn't I get this earlier? This video is loaded. If you enjoy smart, useful gadgets that make everyday life smoother, you're exactly where you should be. Welcome to Next Tool X. Tap subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. And yeah, if something grabs your attention, your desk light is either too weak or way too harsh on your eyes. That's why people are switching to this forehead-style LED desk lamp. It spreads light evenly across your whole desk. No shadows, no glare. You can tweak brightness and color in seconds. Warm for comfort, crisp white for focus. Just wave your hand or grab the remote to control it all. Plus, the adjustable arms let you direct light exactly where you want it. So instead of eye strain and poor lighting, you get a clean, comfortable. Still searching Linux commands every couple minutes? That's killing your flow. This Linux cheat sheet mousepad keeps everything right at your fingertips. File commands, networking, processes, all neatly organized and easy to scan. So instead of flipping tabs, you just glance down and type instantly. It's also a large, smooth desk mat, so your mouse glides effortlessly while you work or code. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, so your desk isn't just tidy anymore. You've never really seen your stuff this close. Plug this in and boom, 2000x zoom fills your entire screen. Circuit boards, coins, even the smallest scratches, sharp and clear in 4K. Repairing electronics? You catch every detail before you even touch it. No guessing, no slip-ups. 3 lenses, 1 device. From hobby use to pro-level accuracy. This isn't just a microscope. It's like unlocking a hidden world right on your desk. You know what instantly ruins your videos? Losing eye contact. This solves it. Read your script, your chat, everything while still looking straight into the camera. No awkward side glances, no slip-ups. Built-in screen. Drop in your script. Start speaking. Done. Real results. You sound confident, look polished, and keep your flow. You're wasting hours on tasks your PC could handle in a single tap. Watch this. One press, apps launch, scenes change, music starts, even full workflows trigger instantly. This isn't a keyboard, it's 18 custom buttons running everything. Editing, streaming, work, all automated. What used to take minutes now happens in seconds. You stop clicking around and start moving like a pro. If your setup, your phone dies, your laptop's at 5%, and there's no outlet anywhere. That's when this hits different. This power bank isn't basic. It's a full portable power station. Charge your phone, your laptop, even multiple devices at the same time. Fast. A real-time display shows exactly what's going on, so there's no guessing. Perfect for travel, work, or emergencies. Plug in once and stay powered for hours. If low battery your pool feels boring? This completely changes the game. This is an AI-powered portable swim jet. Just drop it in, and it creates a powerful current so you can swim in place like a pro. No setup, no construction needed. It's fully wireless, with long battery life and smart speed control that adjusts to your ability. Workout, endurance training, even pro-level sessions right in your own backyard. And yeah, pool parties too. This instantly levels Your laptop has 1 port, but your work needs 10. Plug this in and instantly you've got HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, fast USB ports, even SD card slots, all running together. Real-world use, dual 4K screens, ultra-fast file transfers, and charging at the same time. No lag, no cable swapping, no clutter. It literally turns your laptop into a full workstation in seconds. If you're still unplugging and replugging devices, One rain and your outdoor wires are gone. Unless you have this. Snap everything inside and boom, fully sealed. Rain, dust, even heavy storms, your connections stay protected. Real use, holiday lights, garden tools, pool pumps, no short circuits, no stress. 7 cable entries with a tight seal, built tough like a tank. You don't fix electrical damage after it happens, you prevent it. If you're out, your laptop isn't slow, your setup is. Watch this. Open it and boom, dual 4K screens anywhere you go. But here's the crazy part. 2 devices, 1 display. Move your mouse and you're controlling both instantly. No switching, no lag, no interruptions. Real use, edit on one side, research on the other, or run 2 systems at the same time. Fold it, carry it, open it anywhere. Instant workstation. Your charger might be lying to you. Plug this tiny device in and boom, real-time voltage, current, even battery capacity right in front of you. You instantly know if your cable is slow or your power bank is fake. No guessing, no wasting time on bad charging. Real use. Test anything, phone, laptop, car charger, in seconds. If you care about speed and safety, this little meter is a game. Your nightstand is messy, and your sleep is paying for it. Watch this, 1 setup and boom. Wireless charging, a clean setup, no extra cables everywhere. Lights too bright? Just dial them down instantly. Need 2 alarms? Done. Weekday, weekend, automatic settings, all sorted. Charge your phone, wake up properly, and actually sleep better every night. No clutter, no stress. You think your room is comfortable? It probably isn't. Watch this. 1 glance and boom, exact temperature, humidity, and comfort level right in front of you. Too dry or too humid, you know instantly. No guessing. Real use. Better sleep, better air, a healthier room every day. It updates every few seconds, so you're always in control. If you're not tracking your room environment, you're just hoping it's fine. That's it. Real gadgets, real upgrades. If you found even one thing useful, that's a win. Drop a like, hit subscribe to Heydealshop, and stay ahead of the tech game. Links are in the description. Go grab your favorite. See you in the next one.